Welcome to the official Sort It training game. Using this game in the training arcade, players are presented with different categories in rows and columns, along with a bank of text and image answers that need to be correctly dropped into the appropriate slots. Correct answers stay on the grid, while incorrect ones turn red and fly back to their original position in the answer bank, giving the players an opportunity to set the answer into the correct position. The Sort It game comes with two visual designs. For companies that require custom branding or want the games to have more of their own look and feel, the Training Arcade team provides services to design custom skins that leverage your colors, imagery, logo, and/or products. Every game in the Training Arcade aligns with different employee performance objectives. Sort It takes into account multiple levels of thinking and utilizes sequencing skill. Players are awarded points based on accurate placement and receive correct feedback along the way. One of the best features of Sort It, the ease of creating a one-of-a-kind game. Step 1. Log in to your Training Arcade admin portal. Step 2. Click Add New Game and select Sort It. Step 3. Fill in the basic game info by making simple selections to set the stage for your game, like naming your game, choosing how much time to allot for each question, setting a pass-fail, adding messages to set the stage for what the learner can expect from the game, and user registration. Step 4. Click the Questions tab and fill in your column and row categories, correct answers, and photos if desired. This tab is just as user-friendly as the Game Info tab. Step 5. Don't forget to click Save. Note, you can edit the game as much as you want after you save, and it will update the game in real time. Step 6. Publish your game to your learners a dozen different ways to ensure they can use it through e-learning, at a live event, or through blended learning. You also have the option to download your game as a SCORM package to easily integrate into your existing learning management system. The game URL can also be embedded into a course created with Storyline, Captivate, or Lectora, added to a PowerPoint or Keynote presentation, emailed or texted to learners, pasted into a chat during a webinar, or used for live learning with groups or individuals competing against each other for leaderboard dominance. For more information on Sort It and other training games, visit thetrainingarcade.com.